Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the warmer filter on Snapchat. And then once you have it on Snapchat, of course, you can go ahead and record a video of yourself with the filter and then post it to TikTok or Instagram or any other social media that you want to post it to. Now, one thing you want to make sure before you go ahead and add this filter, just make sure you're all the way updated on Snapchat. So just go to your app store, search for Snapchat, and just make sure there's no update symbol here. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and open up Snapchat. And once you're on Snapchat, you just want to go over to where your search bar is and just click on your search bar and you want to search for warmer. You will then see this first one right here, warmer. It's by Vidhisha. You want to go ahead and click on that. And once you're in this, you just want to click on favorite at the bottom. It will then be added to your favorites. And of course, you can go ahead and record a video of yourself right here as well if you would like to. And then you could save it to your camera roll and post it to any social media you would like to. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to get this filter. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.